It's May at GlenMyu Estate, and typically at this time of the year it's a bit rainy, so we don't have that many guests. So it's time for maintenance, and that's what we've been doing over the last few days, just doing a fair bit of weeding and cutting. You'll see that just this morning I've just cut this pathway again, and again this pathway here. You'll see in the background there, I hope, one of our staff, Amy, just tidying up some of the borders. We create quite a lot of green stuff which goes into our compost. Some of the stuff is obviously replanted, and you'll see just down here I was cutting again the pathway here next to these new coconut trees. You might see some chunks there out of the grass because the cows have been there. The place is starting to take shape again. Not the brightest of days. We've had a little bit of rain, but that's not too bad. And we're about 4:30 in the afternoon. It's quite pleasant. Temperature's good. I'm still in shorts and t-shirt. And there's a pool which I'll hop into soon. I just wanted to show you here. I'll just zoom in on the right bit. This is a pomelo tree, and there's some pomelos there growing. There's 3 of them there. We make some jam out of this. It's much more like a marmalade. It's really tasty. It's great having your own home cooked jam to have with breakfast in the morning. And to show you this as well, this is a coffee tree here which is full of beans, and once they go red we'll pick them and process roasting them, and that will be coffee for us. Let's come back down this way a little bit. Now these are actually mulberries, mulberry trees, but with no mulberries on them because the cows are over at this side of the land, and they eat the mulberries. I mean, sometimes the birds get them first, but we used to pick mulberries from these every day to make some mulberry coulis or mulberry jam, and now we don't because the cows are over here. So we're actually going to be planting a lot more mulberries over the other side of the land that the cows can't get to, and we'll be able to make a bit more jam there. But yeah, this is it. This is May. Bit of time for a bit of maintenance at GlenMyu Estate.